Wake up every morning with the thought that something wonderful is going to happen. Nature has given us all the pieces required to achieve exceptional wellness and health, but has left to us to put these pieces together. Every driven person eventually figures out that there's a whole lot of feel good time. There's also a hidden value in finding a concise expression that perfectly distills our own beliefs. Even genuinely successful people had to get through hard times. Let us inspire and encourage each others to get up, overcome tough times, take actions, stop from procrastinating. Let us escape from our comfort zone. Let's motivate a team, invest in personal growth, and let's do the hard work that needs doing. Our lives will improve only when we take chances. Stay away from those people who try to disagree your ambitions. Small minds will always do that, but great minds will give you a feeling that you can become great too. When you give joy to other people, you get more joy in return. You should get a good thought to happiness that you can give out. Be persistent. Nothing in the world can take the place of persistence. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Learn more from your failure than from success. Don't let it stop you. Failure builds character. Experience is a hard teacher because she gives the test first and the lesson afterwards. If you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision will pull you. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work in hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought into a focus. It's either you run the day or the day runs you. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. And the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is a great work. And the only way to do the great work is to love what you do. And if you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. As with all matters of the heart, you'll know when you find it. When we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too. Opportunities don't happen, you create them. You can get everything in life you want if you will just help each other people get what they want. Inspiration does exist, but it must find you working. Don't settle for average. Bring your best to the moment. Whether it fails or succeed, at least you try and give all you had. If you believe that something needs to exist, if it's something you want to use yourself, then don't let anyone ever stop you from doing it. Set your goals high and don't stop till you get there. Take victories, whatever they may be. Cherish them, use them, but don't settle for them. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. If you really want to do something, you'll find a way. Just be sure that you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. Live out your imagination, not your history. Life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact that everything around you that you can call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it, you can influence it. Once you learn that, you'll never be the same again. If you can't yet do great things, then do small things in a great way. Do not wait for the perfect time and place to enter, for you are already on stage. The greater the difficulty, the more glory surmounting it. Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is a quiet voice at the end of the day saying, I will try again tomorrow. If the decisions you make about where you invest blood, sweat, and tears are not consistent with the person you aspire to be, you'll never become that person. Worry is a misuse of imagination. Courage is the most important of all virtues because without courage, you can't practice any other virtue consistently. Fear of what other people think is the single most paralyzing dynamic in one's life. The best moment of life is that the day you realize that you no longer give a damn what anybody thinks. That enormously liberating and freeing. And that's the only way to live your life. The reason why we struggle with insecurity is that because we compare our behind the scenes with everyone else's highlight reel. Don't try to dance better than anyone. Try to dance better than yourself. Live your life to the fullest. Follow your soul. It knows the way. Great day, everyone.